Welcome to Aksharatma video series, second day. Hi friends, today I would like to speak about reading. Books are best friends. While growing up, the best habit we inculcate is reading because we become what we read. The books that we read plays a very important role in our upbringing as they are our guide for the journey of life. Reading helps a great deal in building up our confidence, reduces stress, and puts us in a better mood. Once we start reading and make it a habit, we will eventually get addicted to it. Reading is the best kind of refreshment that we need in our hectic way of life. Here are some good read books. Have a look at it. To Kill a Mockingbird, masterpiece of literature. About author, Harper Lee was the author of To Kill a Mockingbird. This book was published in the year 1960 and became bestseller. This book was translated into more than 40 languages. To Kill a Mockingbird is a masterpiece of American and world literature. About the background and theme, if you are a human being with emotions, this book will impact you regardless of age, gender, or background. This book makes you feel and impact you and take you to the deep roots of man's behavior. It's an unforgettable story of a childhood in a sleepy southern city, and the story covers a span of 3 years. To Kill a Mockingbird deals with several social problems like injustice, racism, etc. It's a moving story of love, human nature, and sympathy. It's well written and thoughtful novel of all times. The Sahir. About author, Paulo Coelho's life remains the primary source of inspiration for his books. In searching for his own place in the world, he has discovered answers for the challenges that everyone faces. He believes that within ourselves, we have the necessary strength to find our destiny. His books have sold more than 175 million copies worldwide. He is the writer with the most followers on social media. He has won 115 international prizes and awards. The New York Times have called him the biggest selling author in India's history. About the background and theme, the novel tells the story of a famous writer whose life turns upside down when his wife disappears without a trace. He goes on a journey to find her and instead discovers something that gives his life a greater meaning. The God of Small Things. About the author, Susanna Anandati Roy is an Indian writer and author best known for her novel The God of Small Things, who won the Man's Booker Prize for Fiction in 1997 and became the best-selling book by an Indian author. She is also a political activist involved in human rights and environmental cases. About the background and the theme, The God of Small Things is the first and only fiction novel of Anandati Roy. It was critically acclaimed piece of dramatic literature. Set in Aymanam, which is now a district in the part of Kerala, the story spans 24 years, jumping back and forth through flashbacks and flash forwards from 1969, when fraternal twins Rahel and Esther were 7-year-old and they were separated, and then to 1993 when they were reunited at the age of 31. There are lots of inspiring authors and books in this world. It's up to each one of us to find time in reading. Let me borrow the words of George R.R. Martin. A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man never reads lives only once. So enjoy reading. Thank you.